Do you also want to create a ClickUp task for the new entries of the lead? Then this video is definitely for you. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect, by using which I'm going to create a new ClickUp task for a new entry made over my Google Sheet. So now let me show you firstly the real-time working of this automation. So here I'm on this Google Sheet named as My Leads, where I'm going to make a new entry by providing all these details. So right here you can see that I have made a new entry providing the full name, email, phone number and the product in which my user is interested. Now let's move on towards my ClickUp account to check whether we are receiving a new task over there or not. So right here I'm on my ClickUp account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this task having the name new lead test user, and right here I'm getting the same name of my lead which I have recently entered over my Google Sheet, and here you can check out all the details of my lead having the lead name, test user, email address, phone number and the product in which my user is interested. So now you have seen that as soon as I have made a new entry over my Google Sheet, an automated ClickUp task is created. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. And for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you have to type the URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping the URL. And right here I'm on the dashboard page where for creating a new workflow we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to select this create using AI. So this is the new workflow builder of the Pabbly Connect, by using which you don't have to select the trigger or action application, you just have to provide the prompt and AI will make the setup for you. So here I'm going to enter the prompt, that is I want to connect Google Sheet with ClickUp, and as I have entered it, I have to select my trigger which will start my workflow. So here I'm going to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row, and afterwards I'm going to select the action which my ClickUp has to perform, that is create task with custom field. And now we just have to click over this approve and create, and now we just have to open the workflow. And as I have selected this open workflow, right here I'm on the workflow page where my Google Sheet and ClickUp is already connected. Now here on the Google Sheet you can see we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards the Google Sheet through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet through which I want to receive my new leads. Now you just have to go towards extensions where you have to select this add-ons, and here you have to select this get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let me search for it, and right here we are getting this application which is already installed for adding the webhook URL. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box where it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is basically the last data column of the Google Sheet, and right here the last data column of my Google Sheet is D, so I'm going to enter it. Now we just have to click over this submit button, and here the setup has been configured. Now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect, and for that we have to make a new entry over our Google Sheet. So right here I have made the new entry. Now again I'm going to move towards the initial setup where I'm going to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect by simply selecting the send test. So as I have clicked over the send test, My test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this test data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 7 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response here, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Google Sheet. So now this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as we have received the response, we have to perform one more task, that you have to go towards the Google Sheet, and here you have to go towards extensions, and here on the Pabbly Connect webhooks you have to enable this send on event, so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. The data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect as soon as a new entry is made. And right here the send on event has been enabled successfully, and now I am going to perform the further task, that is creating a ClickUp task. I'm going to just select the ClickUp. Right here the app event has been already selected. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. And right here we are getting this option for entering the API token. So for getting the API token, let's move on towards my ClickUp account with me. And right here I'm on my ClickUp account, where you just have to go towards the profile, and here on the profiles you have to select this option of settings. And right here we are on this page where you just have to select this ClickUp API, and right here you can see that we are getting this API token, which I'm going to just regenerate. So here I have entered my password. Now I am going to copy this API token and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered it. Now we just have to click over the save button, and right here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the workspace. So on my ClickUp account I have created only one workspace, which is already selected. So from here you can select your workspace. Now let's select the space as leads, where I want to create a task for my Google Sheet leads, and afterwards it is asking me to select the folder. So from here you can select the folder and the list as well. Now it is asking me to enter the task name. So here I'm going to enter my task name as new lead, and afterwards I'm going to add the name of my lead for distinguishing between the task. And for that you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually type the details of my lead, and that method is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the name of my user from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from the response I'm going to map the name of my lead. Now here I'm going to provide the description as well. So this is the description which I am going to add, and after this word lead name I am going to map the name of the lead from the response of the Google Sheets. So right here I am getting the name which I have mapped. Now let's map the email address and the rest of the details, such as phone number and the product in which my user is interested. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single entry received. So here we are done with the description. Now here I am going to select my due date time as no, and for the start date time as no again. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a task might be created. So now let's move on towards my ClickUp account. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this task having the lead's name as smart user, and here you can check out all the details of the lead. So now you have seen that within few minutes I have created this amazing automation by using which I'm going to create a new ClickUp task for my Google Sheet leads. So now you can also create this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect, and not only this, you can integrate thousands of applications by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.